Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here just scroll a little bit down, and now as can you see we got the notification tone section. Just tap there. Now as can you see we got here selected the chest tone. We can select the music from our device if we got some downloaded from the internet, but how to set the custom notification sound you should see in another video on our YouTube channel. I will show you how to change the notification sound on the default one. So just you should select one from these sounds and just listen all of them. You can hear them, and then just select one from these sounds and just go back. And as can you see, we just changed successfully our notification tone to the another one. So that's it. That's how it looks. That's really simple, as can you see. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.